If you need to update your phone number on your Chase bank account, follow these simple steps to ensure your information is current and secure. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the shrok.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile and Preferences section. This is usually found in the Account Menu or Settings area. Step 3. Select Contact Information. In the Profile settings, find the option for Contact Information or Personal Information. Click on this to view your current phone number. Step 4. Update your phone number. Enter your new phone number in the designated field. Make sure to double-check the number for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button. Click this to confirm your changes and ensure your new number is recorded. Make sure to log out of your account after making changes to keep your information secure. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Chase customer service for assistance.